Hello everyone, my name is Lavanya. Today I want to explain about the chatbot creation project. First of all, what is chatbot and why I am choosing chatbot creation, and I will explain it. What is chatbot? Chatbot is a computer program designed to simultaneous conversation with human and users, especially over the internet. It can respond to users in a natural languages and answer questions, perform tasks, and all without needing a human operator. These are two types of chatbots, rule-based chatbots and AI-based chatbot. This project shows how we can automate interactions, improve user experience and reduce manual workload. Here I am creating the chatbot using some technologies. These are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MongoDB and API key also. Yeah. What is HTML? What is HTML full form? HTML full form is hypertext markup language. Why it is used to? It is used to create a web page. So I am choose the HTML. Yeah. This is the basic structure of sorry. This is the basic structure of HTML. Yeah, this is the basic structure of HTML, and if you want to give the some title and a link, also we give the between the head file, and these are the chart header. Chart header is used to head a purple background, white text and close button are I am give these code. And chart body gives the styles the messages area with padding and overflow and custom style for bot to user message. This the user message. Next, chart footer. This is the chart footer of coding. Chart footer what styles the input area with a white background, border radius and custom style for buttons. This code I will the chart footer. Next, yeah, this is the all about the HTML. What is CSS and what is the full form of CSS? CSS means cascading style sheet. Why I am using CSS? CSS is give the designing of the web page because of used to HTML. These are the basic attributes of CSS. Yeah, chatbot pop-up, the main container for the chatbot interface. So I will give these code. Background, if you want to the background color, give the background attribute, width and margin, position. Yeah, this is the chart header, contains the chatbot logo and title and close button. So I will give the chart header. Next, chart body. These are the main of CSS. Next, chart body. Chart body displays the messages from the chatbot and user. Yeah. Next, chart footer. These are the basic of CSS. Next, chart footer. Chart footer is the contains a form for users to input messages and attach files. This is all about the CSS background color. Yeah, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is a powerful and versatile language that plays a central role in the model development. Here, why it was the best choice for this chatbot project. JavaScript can be used on both front-end and back-end also. So why? So I am taking the JavaScript. The JavaScript can handles the user input, displays messages, and interacts with the backend of API key. It is also used to upload the file and fetch AI response and handle user messages and chat history also. Message handling. Create and displays user and bot messages. API request. Sends request to Gemini API key to generate bot responses. Here I am used the Gemini API key. These key are used to request the bot to responses. Next, file handling. Handle user messages. Handles file uploads and handle file uploads and sends them to the back end of API. Load chart history on page load. Here, if you want to load the chart history, so if you give these code. If you want to delete the chart history, so delete chart history. Use these code. Yeah, handle file input, and this is JavaScript. These are the HTML elements of JavaScript. This is API key. API key is used to authenticate and authorize access to Gemini API. This is the very important key, and if didn't show this key in anyone, this is all about the JavaScript. Here I am used the error handling, because of if you give some message, it shows some errors, so it handle the errors using try, catch, and finally these keywords. Here some point. Here method post saves the chat messages to the database, and get, where will you get, and the get retries the chat history for a specific user. This is all about the JavaScript. Yeah, what is Flask and MongoDB? MongoDB stores the database in the chat messages, and it will give the API endpoints, post and get also. And MongoDB connects to a local MongoDB instance and defines the chatbot database and messages collections. Here, why I am using Flask? Create a Flask app instant and enables of course. It will store the chat history. So I am choose the MongoDB. It will stores the chat history. These are the code. And load the chat history. Save the chat message and load the chat history. It is like a JSON format. Yeah, this is all about the MongoDB and JavaScript and HTML and CSS. The final output is, yeah, this is our chatbot. Yeah, this is all about the HTML and CSS and the JavaScript MongoDB, particularly API key. So this is the final output of, yeah, this is the final output of chatbot. Here I am use some messages because of it is working or not. If you want to refresh, it will give. If you want to give hi, it is thinking. Yes, it is give the hi. Checking also next time. Yeah, good morning to you. How can you help me? This is the chatbot creation, and this is all about the chatbot creation project. Thank you so much.